Alright, the first thing you're going to do is take your emergency brake lever, pull it up, lock your emergency brakes in place. The next thing you're going to do is put your shifter in neutral. Now you can put your key on and step on the brakes and put it in neutral, or I'm going to show you guys a little trick just in case your car happens to be stuck on the side of the road, got a dead battery, and they need to tow it. Alright, what you're going to do is there's a little access cover right here. You're going to take your flat screwdriver, stick it in there, pop that cover right out. Don't lose it like I probably just did. And now inside there's going to be a white lever. Now what you're going to have to do first is take your key, put your key, in fact I'm going to show you. If I put my key in it, you're going to take that lever and push it forward and put it in neutral. See, I cannot do that right now. Your key has to be in the on position. Then take the lever, push it forward, and put it in neutral. Now guys, it's very important that you got this emergency brakes on, because right now you put it in neutral, and if you're on the hill, this car is going to roll and probably hit somebody. Alright, also a good reason why we got it in neutral is because it's going to give us good leverage. What you're going to do is grasp the shifter handle, and you're going to yank it right up. Pop it up just like that. You didn't break nothing. That's the way it goes. There's a retainer inside there that locks it into place. Alright, let's go put this to the side. Alright guys, the next thing we're going to do is remove this bezel right here. Now this bezel is going to be held on by 4 clips. Now I want you to get you a set of body panel pry bars. Now the body panel pry bars really don't, because this is a really tight fit between the bezel and the side cover. So what you're going to have to do here is get that same little flat screwdriver, go on a corner, get between there, and pop one of those corners up just like that. Once you get that corner popped up, then you take your body panel pry bar and you ride along the edge, pop that cover off, pop that clip, come around, pop that one, and then there is one more right there. Take it off. There are your 4 clips. Alright, the next thing I want to do is get you a T20 Torx socket. Alright, the next thing you do, take your center armrest. You want to pick up on it. Now inside, you're going to see there's a rubber mat. Just reach in there, pull that mat up, and you're going to see 2 Phillips screws. Alright, get you a long Phillips screwdriver and remove those screws. Alright, close your armrest. Then what you're going to do is pick up on this part of the console, and you're going to make sure your emergency brakes pull back. And you want to pick up and you're going to slide back. So pick up a little bit and slide back. When you slide back, you're sliding back 2 clips back here. And then take your armrest, the whole console, and pick it up. Put it to the side. There's 2 wires. There's a connector back here, and it's nasty back here. So what you want to do here is get your pry bar set, and you want to pry this clip up just to get up under it. Just enough to unplug it. Let me see if I can. Okay, good. I can unplug it from this side. I'm going to unplug this, and I'm going to show you what I did in a minute. Okay, what I did is a tab right here. Push that tab, squeeze that tab into the connector, and then unplug it. Alright, let's put this to the side. Alright, the next thing you're going to do, you have 4 Phillips screws. 1, 2, then up here, you got another 2. Alright, let's remove those screws. Alright, now that you got the screws out, you don't have to take out these 2 down here. Just the 2 I told you. And then take this piece right here and pull back and remove it. There you go, guys. There's how to remove the center console on the 2011. Goes for more years also. This is one I'm working on. We're working on Jeep Patriot. Any comments or questions, be sure to contact us. Take care.